I don't know how good the quality is on that camera, but I got my DSLR set up and I'm recording this. It's probably going to be blurry as hell. I got it set on autofocus, so that should... Well, did you see that? I don't know if I should get off at this exit or not. Shit. Alright, camera's fine, it's not broken. Okay, it's not staying on there, it's sliding around. And there's a bridge coming up. I'm going to take cover under the bridge. I'm going to park under that bridge. I remember from some old what the hell was it? This is probably not a good time to bring up the fact that it's a tornado movie, but I remember it was an old Bruce Campbell made-for-TV Twister movie for fucking Fox Network of all things. I remember there was a tornado coming and he stopped under the bridge. And he just took cover under the bridge. Of course, they took cover like, you know, up there, but I'm staying in the car. I'm not leaving this car. I love this car too much. I'm not fucking getting out of this car. Alright, I'm gonna turn the wipers off. I don't have to have them on so fast. There's nothing hitting the windshield. I'm under the cover of the bridge. I can't see. I can see up ahead of me. I can see about, I don't know, a quarter of a mile, maybe 300 yards up ahead of me. I see trees moving like this, and there's lightning like crazy everywhere. Am I far enough? Yeah, I'm far enough off the road. I'm just gonna give it a couple minutes. It doesn't look so bad here, looking at it from here, but when you're out in it, you can't see anything past this windshield. You can't. It's like it's constantly on the windshield. Even when you got the wipers on it, like high, all the way on high, you can't see nothing. I can see fine now, like kind of. It's spraying into the bridge, but yeah, I'm not leaving here for a minute. This ain't worth it. It ain't worth driving in this. Did you see that? There's a light. Son of a bitch! There's a lightning flash right in front of me. I'm gonna back up a bit. I'm gonna get a little further under here. All right, now I'm officially under the bridge. Ah, man. I can't see anything behind me. I'm looking through the mirror. I can't see anything past there. I can see a little bit through this mirror. There's definitely a hubcap straight ahead. Somebody's hubcap blew off. I don't want to drive over that. As I'm pulling out of here. And being inside the car is that, look, the lightning keeps hitting right in that, you can't see it because I'm recording it on my DSLR, but the lightning keeps fucking hitting it. Right, the ground, right over there, right in that spot. There must be like a lightning rod or something right there. And it's hitting over there too. Right over in that way. I'm gonna work on that Watch Dogs thing until it's like 8 o'clock at night. I don't care. I only got like 6 places to go to. I already got them all mapped out. The you know, I would go to them before I go to the hotel, but the thing is that the hotel is actually further south than everything else. It's not even in Chicago. It's in Worth. It's over in Illinois, Worth, Illinois. So it's you know, it's like I'm here and then Chicago's over there. So I'm better off going to the motel, dropping everything off, than last time it was raining like that. Looks like it's clearing up a little bit. All right. I'm gonna wait for there to be a break in the traffic, and then I'm gonna start making my way out. All right, here's my window. Oh shit! Ow! Right on my fucking knee. God damn it! Ah! Shit. Anyway, just stay right there. That's behind the TomTom. There you go. Alright, I gotta put the windshield wipers back on. Alright, so anyway. Ah, man, that hit me right on the damn knee. Okay, so going forward, not as bad as it was. So that's good. The wind's not blowing as hard. There we go. Okay, so yeah, I stopped off in this place in Eaton, Ohio. Called Pilot, and I stopped off there. I was gonna get gas. Remember, I was gonna get gas earlier. Well, anyway, I was gonna get gas there when it was raining like this last time. Well, it wasn't raining as bad as this. This is Indiana. This is something else. But it was raining pretty bad, and anyway, I stopped in there and I tried to get gas with my card, and someone copied my fucking card. So I called up my credit card company. They're going to mail me a copy of the card, I mean a new card, to my hotel tomorrow. I just hope the hotel owner is okay with that. Yeah. So hey, there's a lesson to be learned here. Don't pay at the fucking pump. Don't be an idiot like me and pay at the pump. Hey, go in, talk to the cashier, pay at the cashier. Alright? Just make sure you do that. That's the lesson for today. I learned that the damn hard way. And I turned, something else is something not right. I just turned the air conditioner on and I'm smelling a burning smell. Yay. Good try. See, look at that. It's nice and clear over there. So I'm definitely driving out of this. I'm gonna turn off the. Now I'm gonna keep the DSLR running. I'm gonna keep it running because I don't know if I'm gonna get killed or not at some point. And that'll be a good. And like Grizzly Man, the final video of Eric Seidel. Yeah. You know, there you go. You're welcome, everybody. It'll probably be me going, oh my God, or something, into a goddamn twister, for all I know. Hopefully that bright spot, the sunshine that I was showing just now, hopefully that's Chicago. That would be nice. Alright, I think we're coming out of it, so I'm going to turn the flashers and my headlights off. And I'm going to turn the DSLR off. I'm done with this.